You have an iPhone and a PC. How do you get all of your photos from your iPhone, including your albums, to your PC? Well, with the PhotoSync app, it is easy. Getting your iPhone photos to your PC can be a bit of a challenge. Most of the options out there will only download and dump all your photos onto your PC, with none of those lovely albums coming with them. Well, I have the solution, PhotoSync App. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use this funky little app. And keep watching to see how to download all your albums as well. Setting up PhotoSync App. Obviously, the first job is to download the PhotoSync app to your iPhone. When you first open the app, allow access to all your photos and allow it to find and connect to devices on your network. This is important so it can find and download your photos to your PC. Now you have a choice. You can stay with the free version, but you're going to get low resolution photos. So that's a bit pointless. So I would recommend purchasing the Pro plan, which is a one-time purchase. Go to the settings cog in the bottom right-hand corner and purchase the Pro plan one-time purchase. Now you have the option that you can transfer your photos via a web link specific to your phone that you can access through a browser. But if you are going to download a ton of photos, it is not going to cut it. So I would recommend that you download the companion computer program. The link for this is in the information below. Downloading your photos. Now we are set up for downloading our photos in PhotoSync iPhone app. You can either just download all the recent stuff, or if albums is what you're after, then head on over to the user albums. Select the first album to download, click on the arrow next to it to see the photos in the album. Click the red sync symbol in the top right-hand corner and select all. Select the computer if you're using the computer app and your PC should now appear. Note you will need to be connected to the same Wi-Fi for the connection to work. Select your PC, and once the transfer is complete, a window will open up on your PC with your photos. Then the only slightly annoying thing is that you then have to repeat it for each album. So you can now get all of your photos, including your albums, from your iPhone. Okay, I didn't say it was going to be pain-free, and the fact that you have to download each album is a bit of a painful experience, but it's way better than just a massive folder of all of your photos. But what is the next step in your sorting journey? Well, what about getting rid of duplicates? Check out this video next to find the best deduplication software. If you enjoyed this video, then why not go ahead with a like, a share, and a subscribe. Have fun rediscovering your memories. I'll see you in my next video.